I'm just now making it back into Bay County. And this is just the outskirts. Might be kind of hard for you all to see, but down power lines and power poles everywhere. Trees down. It looks like an absolute war zone. Here we're going through one of the bigger sections, strips of road is 23rd Street. And it's absolutely freaking demolished, man. It's more power poles, trees down everywhere. People using the mall as the parking lot to set stuff up. I mean, look, there's a giant billboard just blown down to the ground. Now we're driving down what is called Highway 77. More. Oops. People not knowing how to drive. There's EMS and all kinds of police officers everywhere, which I would expect. And it's amazing, people from so many different counties in Florida and even from different states are here to help. And this retard right here is just gonna run out in front of me as he's a fucking dipshit. That's the local technical school. It's gone. Look at all the down trees. My barber shop where I get my haircut's gone. More police officers. And another dipshit just pulling out in the way. It's amazing. Building. The brick veneer was pulled away from the building. They said when this Hurricane Michael made landfall, it was 1 mile per hour less than what it needed to be considered a Category 5 hurricane. I think whenever it made landfall, I might be wrong, so don't quote me, the winds were anywhere between 150 to 175 miles per hour. And you see it just whip through here and destroyed everything. You're driving through my neighborhood. I mean, there's no telling how tall those trees were at one time. I mean, that house seems to look okay. I mean, there's a lot of debris and rubble and the trees, and their nice vinyl fence was destroyed. I have to turn down the road I live on. Holy cow, the trees. Alright, well, I'm at my house. Kid swing set. A tree. Another giant oak tree. Pretty much ripped out of the ground. Someone else's oak tree falling into my backyard. Much clipping the side of my house. We are quite fortunate. A lot of people, their houses did not make it. A chimney blew off. A tree hit the corner of my house. A My wife said there was a little bit of flooding. Like I said, we were very, very fortunate. Well, everybody, I did what I had to do to my house to get buttoned up, and I'm heading back out of town. I'm not gonna try to stick around for all this. My family is still evacuated into Georgia. We're staying with the in-laws, and I'm going back there. As you've seen from the previous clips in this video, my town's pretty much destroyed, and needless to say, probably not going to be cleaning windows in quite some time, at least in my town anyway. To everyone that's reached out to me to ask me how I was and if everything was okay, I highly appreciate it, and we'll see ya.